Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you are ready to hear something that will shake you up, wake you up, and push you to become the person you were meant to be. Today, I want to talk about one of the deadliest enemies of success. It is not your competition. It is not your lack of money. It is not even your circumstances. It is laziness. Yes, that small, sneaky, invisible force that whispers in your ear, sleep a little longer, scroll a little more, start tomorrow, and just like that, your dreams die before they are even born. Laziness is like that one friend who always convinces you to stay out late when you know you have an important meeting the next morning. It seems fun in the moment, but later you regret every second of it. Laziness is not just a habit. It is a full-time job that pays you in regret, missed opportunities, and unrealized potential. It starts small, one snooze button, one skip task, one I'll do it later. And before you know it, you are sitting on a throne of excuses, wondering why your life isn't changing. Meanwhile, successful people are out there doing the work, making the sacrifices, and securing the rewards. Think about it. When was the last time you saw someone scrolling through social media for 8 hours straight and suddenly becoming a millionaire? Never. But people who wake up early, take action, and stay disciplined, those are the ones who achieve greatness. Today we are going to kill laziness. We are going to chase it out of our lives like an unwanted guest at a party. Because if you don't get rid of laziness, it will get rid of your future. Let's go! People often ask me, Jack Ma, what is the secret of success? And I tell them, it's not really a secret. It's just about doing what lazy people refuse to do. Lazy people are like professional excuse makers. I don't have time. Oh, really? But you have time to binge watch 5 seasons of your favorite show, complete with snack breaks and deep emotional investment in fictional characters. I don't have money. But somehow you have enough to buy overpriced coffee, the latest phone, and every new pair of sneakers that comes out. I don't know how to start. But you spend hours watching YouTube videos of others succeeding. Laziness is a scam artist. It convinces you that you are working on something when, in reality, you are just sitting there, doing nothing except maybe perfecting your couch potato skills. Success is not magic. It's not like you rub a lamp and a genie pops out saying, "Congratulations, here's your dream life." No, success is the result of consistent effort every single day. It means waking up and choosing action over comfort, progress over procrastination. If laziness was an Olympic sport, some of you would be gold medalists. But let me tell you, no one ever got rich, healthy, or successful by mastering the art of lying in bed and scrolling on their phone. The people who win in life are the ones who stop making excuses, start making plans, and actually do something. So next time you hear yourself saying, "I don't have time," just remember, you do have time. You're just spending it on things that don't matter. And that, my friend, is the real secret to success. Let me tell you a story. When I started Alibaba, I had no money, no connections, and no technology background. I was just a simple teacher. I went to Silicon Valley looking for investors, and 30 different people rejected me. They laughed at me. They told me, "Jack, your idea is stupid," but I refused to be lazy and discouraged. Instead, I worked harder. I improved. I knocked on more doors. And today, Alibaba is one of the largest e-commerce companies in the world. Now, imagine if I had been lazy. Imagine if I had said, maybe they are right, maybe I should give up. You would not even know my name today, and the same goes for you. If you keep making excuses, nobody will know your name either. Excuses are expensive because they cost you your future. If you keep making excuses today, your future self will look back and say, "Why didn't you just start?" So stop buying excuses. They are the worst investment you can make. Laziness is like an addiction. The more you give in, the harder it is to stop. The only cure is discipline. If you want to kill your laziness, you must replace it with habits that make you unstoppable. Here's how you do it. Wake up early. Lazy people sleep too much. Successful people wake up before the world does. If you wake up at noon, congratulations. You've already lost half the day to your pillow. Set small goals. Do not try to climb the whole mountain in one day. Start by taking small daily steps. Even superheroes started by lifting small weights before saving the world. Eliminate distractions. Social media, TV, games, turn them off. These things waste your time and energy. If scrolling on TikTok was a sport, some of you would be Olympic champions by now. Surround yourself with hardworking people. If you spend time with lazy people, you will become lazy. If you spend time with driven people, you will be inspired to work harder. Birds of a feather flock together. Don't be a pigeon in a group of eagles. Just start. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. There is no perfect moment. The best time to start is now. If you wait until you feel ready, you'll be waiting forever, probably with a snack in your hand. You know, laziness is funny because it always has the same excuses. I will start on Monday, but Monday never comes. I will exercise tomorrow, but tomorrow, the only running you do is to the fridge. People say, Jack, I don't have time to read. But if I check your phone, I will see that you spent 5 hours watching TikTok videos of people dancing. You have time, but you waste it. And time is the one thing you can never get back. Let me tell you another funny thing about laziness. Have you ever noticed that lazy people are always tired? They do nothing all day, but they say, I am so exhausted. Exhausted from what? From thinking about working? From scrolling on your phone? If laziness were a job, some people would be billionaires by now. Laziness steals your dreams. It is a silent thief that sneaks into your life, robbing you of opportunities before you even realize it. You say you want to be rich, but are you working like a rich person? Do you study, invest, and put in the hours like those who have achieved financial success? You say you want success, but are you willing to sacrifice, stay disciplined, and do what successful people do every single day? If not, then you are just dreaming, not striving. Let me tell you something powerful. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. The longer you wait, the further away your dreams get. The harder you work today, the easier your life will be tomorrow. Every hour of effort today compounds into future rewards. Nobody can make your dreams come true except you. Stop waiting for a miracle or for someone to come and push you. Success is in your hands. Laziness is the #1 cause of wasted potential. How many people with talent, ideas, and dreams have let laziness keep them stuck in the same place? How many have sat back while others passed them by simply because they refused to take action? Don't let that be you. So stop waiting, stop complaining, stop being lazy. Every second wasted is a second you could have used to get closer to your goals. Wake up, get up, and go fight for your future. The world is full of opportunities, but only for those who are willing to work for them. Success is not reserved for special people. It is reserved for those who are willing to work for it. Hard work does not choose favorites. It only rewards those who embrace it with determination, patience, and effort. Your laziness is your biggest enemy. It is a silent dream killer, creeping in unnoticed and stealing away your potential. If you do not kill it, it will kill your dreams, your ambitions, and the life you could have had. So are you ready? Are you ready to stop making excuses and start taking action? The world is waiting for you to rise, to step forward, and to make an impact. Your future self is waiting for you, watching, hoping that today, not tomorrow, is the day you take the first real step towards success. Don't let them down. Imagine looking back years from now, filled with regret, thinking, if only I had started then, where would I be today? You have the power to shape that future now. The only thing standing in your way is your own hesitation. Fear, procrastination, and laziness are roadblocks of your own making, but they can be torn down the moment you decide to move forward. You don't need a perfect plan, you need action. Go out there and kill your laziness.